guys, Bree here from Mishawaka Crochet. And do you like Disney? Do you like princesses? And if you're here, you probably love crochet. So my mom got this for me. I think it's like the perfect kit. It's everything a Disney princess fan could love. In this kit, it tells me that it has patterns to make Snow White, Aurora, Ariel, Belle, Pocahontas, and Mulan. And the nice thing about this, it has everything to make Belle. So I'm pretty excited about that. This video, I'm just going to be doing an unboxing and kind of show you what's inside, kind of give you my first impressions. I plan on making a video that would have like my thoughts and like how good the directions are, how Belle came out, that kind of thing. I'm not going to show you exactly how Belle's made because I don't own the rights to the pattern. But let's get started. Alright, so first impressions here. Looks like everything's arranged pretty nicely in there. Let's check out the yarn though. Number one thing, right? So we've got brown. Oh, they're even like cute little hanks. I love that. It's a little like scratchy feeling, and usually with these kits, at least my own, personal experience, typically like the yarn is a little scratchy, and typically also it has a tendency to split. So I always try though to use the things they give me because I don't want to waste them, and I like to know how they come out for you. All right, we got like a cream color and a cute little yellow. Oh, and we have needle and the thread and the safety eyes. All things that Belle's gonna need. Ooh, I like the way this is packaged, because a lot of times it's just like in a thin plastic, like easy to tear, but I mean, this is in there like pretty tight. The package is, the plastic's like nice and thick, so like it's not going to come to you hopefully dusty or any icky thing like that. And it's like pretty, like there's not much squishability to it, so there's a decent amount of stuffing in there. Oh, the crochet hook, of course. And the best part, right? The pattern book. So in this book, there's supposed to be 70 full colored photos to give you an idea on how to make them. So I can't really show you everything that's in it. I'm assuming, copyright, but let's just like give you a little flip through. All right, did everybody memorize those patterns? I did. Haha, kidding. But I've gone ahead and I'm going to peek inside here, just kind of see what's in it, maybe give you a little bit of an idea. It looks like you got a description of your tools, and it looks like it's all basic stitches: single crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, front loop, back loop, which those are fairly basic, you kind of learn those in the beginning too. Treble crochets. There's a popcorn stitch. I would say that's a little bit more of a challenging stitch, but it's not that hard. Looks like they show you how to do all the different techniques. Oh, now this is kind of nice. A lot of times, like when you're crocheting something, they say, oh, when you have your starting chain, work in the back bump. This shows you exactly where that back bump is, so you can get that nice, cleaner line. I like that. I don't think I've ever seen that before. I haven't done like a ton of kits, but I did like the Golden Girls one. I did like a stitch, and it had scrump in it. I did those, and those weren't as nice as this. And one thing I'll definitely give them too with this book is that the Golden Girls one I got, you had to like cut the book off the box. This one is its own like standalone little book. And like when you cut the book off the box, you had to like tape it together. So I really like that this is a standalone. It looks like there's lots of pictures. Now, I mean, I can't tell you if these patterns are great till I dive into them, but I mean, just on, first initial look, it looks like they're pretty well done. I mean, there's a good description of what the different stitches are and everything you need to do. I mean, there's even tips, it looks like, on like how to get like the thread we're gonna need to use like on Belle's face to get like her little mouth. There's like good instructions, it looks like, to do that, like where you'd put your needle in and how you'd get just the right shape. So, all right, so these are my first initial thoughts on this kit. I think it looks promising. The yarn is not great quality, but I'm excited about it. And even if I end up having to use things from my own stash, I mean, hey, we've all got those little balls of yarn that we just don't know what to do with that just pile up. So maybe I can, bust some of those things out. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned because I'm definitely going to be telling you how Belle came out in the future. Bye.